trick to shine the floor and recover its original color. It's like new. For this clue we are going to need 1.5 liters of hot water. I'm going to pour everything into a bucket. Then I'll also add a capful of fabric softener. It is the item that, in addition to helping with cleaning, will also bring the aroma that your home needs. I am also going to use baking soda, and the ideal amount to use is 1 tablespoon. Baking soda is one of the main elements that you cannot stop using in your house. Since I learned this, my apartment shines like a millionaire. The apartment is like new. Know this trick that I am going to teach you step by step. To make it easier to use the cloth, I am also going to use a tablespoon of detergent. You can use the one of your preference. To finish, I am going to add 1 more liter of water. Now I'm going to use room temperature water. Once this is done, I am going to mix all these ingredients very well. And our advice for today is ready. You can now clean your floor as usual. And before I forget, tell me which city you see us in so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sandra, from Brazil. She's glad you're enjoying our advice. The final result will impress you, since they have few ingredients. It is very easy to prepare, and you will see that with all this ease you can make your floor perfect, shining. As if you just installed it, it really looks like new flooring. I only use this mixture to clean the floor in my house. It looks so much better than any other product I've used before. I'd try it at your house and then you come back here to tell me what you think of the result. I'm sure you'll love it. Even this very dirty floor, or even my balcony floor, I can remove all the dirt easily. You will notice how your floor will look clean and shiny, just like mine. I hope you enjoyed this trick. Thank you very much for watching this far. I'll see you in the next video.